National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, Garland County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern County in southern Oklahoma, eastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, Canadian County in central Oklahoma, McLean County in central Oklahoma, eastern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, Carter County in southern Oklahoma, Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, western Murray County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles north of Concho to 8 miles west of Foster to 7 miles northwest of Nacona, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Norman, Edmond, Moore, Midwest City, Ardmore, Del City, El Reno, Guthrie, Newcastle, Blanchard, Falls Valley, Purcell, Davis, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, Choctaw, War Acres, and the Village. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 26 and 162. Interstate 40 between mile markers 119 and 171. Interstate 44 between mile markers 85 and 145. Interstate 240 between mile markers 1 and 16. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.